What's up, guys? I just want to show you my new project. Here is a obviously a Glock. um, it's a Gen 4. It's a Glock 19, and I just finished doing the Cerakote on it. It's you guys see, check safety first. Alright, okay, nothing in the chamber. Okay. It's burn bronze on Cerakote. uh, I just finished it like a couple hours ago. It actually came nice. I really like it. It's a nice color. It's kind of shiny. But yeah, I just want to let you know, guys, that my new project here, and tomorrow I will posting a new video and gun range shooting it, see how it works. Alright, guys.